Liesel here from VA Wonder. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share a cool new text effect app that I found here in Canva. This video format will be a little different than usual, so let me know in the comments if this is useful for you. Open your design, then go to Apps, search for Depth Text. It will be this one, and open it. If you look on the left-hand side, you will have a preview of all the design types that this app has got. Let's go through a few of them. Let's click on this one first with the steps. So here you will always see the preview of what you're going to do, and now you can start adapting it. So first, let's update the text. So at the moment it says follow, 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 follow. So you can type in your own words. So now I've done step by step does it. You can choose a font. You can update the color. You can also choose a different outline color. You can do a projection. Projection would be that the second line will change color. Okay, so let's do that quickly. Let's make that a purple. Here you can see it. If you go to Layout, you will see further options to change the design. They are the same as the designs in the original overview that we saw. You can even further customize this design by changing the rotation and position. So simply click on the image and start dragging it around. And when you are ready with your design, you can just click Add to Design. What's really cool about this app is not only does it put this design onto your canvas, if you go back to your uploads, it will also appear there. So let me quickly show you. Let's explore this app further. So we will go to Apps, Depth Text. Let's add a page. And let's go for this one, Fun. This is quite a nice retro design. You can update the font, of course, also your outlines, your projection would be all of these colors below the top layer. So that could look really cool in your branding fonts. And when you're happy with the update, you can just add it to design. It will appear on your canvas and it will also be saved in your uploads. To go out of this option, let's go back here to Edit. Scroll down, let's add a page. And let's choose this circle one. Okay, so this one actually creates these infinite loops. This might be fun for a new product. So let's use the word new. And you can just keep on repeating these words until the design is as intricate or as long as you would like it to be. After you've done that, you can update your font again. You can change your color. You can add an outline if you would like to. You can add some projection again. And when you're done, you can just add it to your design. If you're looking for this, remember that it's in your uploads. And if you want to change it a little bit, you can always click on this and then start twisting it around. And if you have updated the design and you would like to change it, you can just go down here to the bottom and go Update Design. And the new updated version will appear here. This next design type I've used to count down my subscribers to 1,000. So it's this one. Let me show you. So you can add in your text and then you can do your color fills. So my brand is set up, so I will just use my brand colors. And when you're done, just add to design. There are so many fun options within this one app and multiple ways to customize each application. I hope this video has inspired you to get even more creative. Let me know in the comments which design you will use for your next project. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.